Sandhill cranes are the oldest living bird species on the planet.
I wonder what else it does. Let's see if it protects your hand.
And we're back. Hey folks, Walking Writer here. It's June 4th, 2021. I'm at Erie Canal, Lock 17 in Little Falls, New York. I was here for my last video. The eastern gate was damaged. One of the teeth and one of the gears was broken. So they've been using a crane to lift the gate up and down. We had a boat jam here earlier, but now they're letting boats through as they approach. So hopefully we'll see a boat today, but right now it looks pretty clear. I just talked to one of the workers there. He said we'll be here for about another month until the new piece is recast and replaced. So maybe I'll get down here another day and check out some boats, but right now it's pretty quiet. I'll take a few pictures while I'm here. As you can see, there are no boats tied up against the wall. They're using the crane to lift the gate whenever a boat comes through now. Here's a view from underneath Wind Bridge that crosses the Mohawk River. Now years ago, probably in the 1970s, they tore it down. It used to be a bridge that went from one side to the other way down there. That's been long gone. So we'll have to go through this for another month. Well, sorry folks, no boat action today, but maybe I'll check down the days ahead to see if we can catch something. In the meantime, I'm going to head back home and we'll walk through the old Lock 36 right here. Talk to you later. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. No boats today and no rock climbers either. This is a view of Moss Island from across the canal. I'm on the Erie Canalway trail side right now. But this section is popular with rock climbers. But nobody here today.